Hi, beautiful soul family. We all know that love is the language of the soul, the only language a soul understands and speaks is love. Sometimes in life, when we get disconnected from our being, we start looking for love outside of us. We forget that true love is in our being and it flows naturally to all existence and is felt in our each and every expression of life itself. On the occasion of Valentine's Day, I got a chance to speak to some beautiful, talented young women and wanted to know their perspective of love. I was impressed by their clarity of their perspective and the way they understand love. Through my video, I want to share their wonderful views and would highly appreciate if you could share your views as well with us in the comments section below. Very smart and dynamic Samiksha Jain is a student of Sophia College, Mumbai. She gives stunning explanation on self-love.
So, love is one of the intense emotions that we experience, and it is a misconception that it should be towards your romantic partner. It could be love towards your parents, towards your siblings, towards your friends. But for me personally, the important aspect is love towards yourself, that is self love. Because according to me, if you cannot really love yourself, if you cannot really accept yourself unconditionally, you can't shower the same feelings upon others, and you cannot expect others also to shower the same feelings on you. So the greatest form of love, and this Valentine's, I really hope that we all can learn to love ourselves each and every day, no matter what. So yeah.
Pretty shy Anagha, a student of IIT Mumbai, has lot of appreciation for love in a relationship.
Hi. So I think love to me is the unwavering fondness and devotion that you have towards your partner. I believe you know you're in love when you know that your life otherwise is fine, but it is much better with your significant other.
Hema, beautiful and super talented student of NIFT Mumbai, reveals the importance of this word love in today's world.
Love is the only thing that keeps us going and makes us less robotic in a world which requires us to act, think, and even behave just like programmed machines. Everybody deserves to be loved, and the fact is, we often spend our energy loving others, be it friends, family, children, spouses, etc. Just as much as we all like to spread the love, the real question is, do we have enough for ourselves? Do we love ourselves enough? Well, this Valentine's Day, let us all promise ourselves to stop being so hard on ourselves, forgive ourselves for all the mistakes, and start accepting who we really are and fall in love with the real you. And please stop comparing yourself with others. You are perfect just the way you are. Every time you try, you fall in love with yourself a little more. So happy Valentine's Day, and let us all love ourselves.
Very cute, Muskan Mittal, a young entrepreneur, will stun you with her deep belief of the concept of divine eternal love. She reveals the love of twin flames.
In one lifetime, you may meet many people, but only one love will burn your soul like fire. For me, love is which can only happen once. No offense, but प्यार कोई जुकाम थोड़ी ना है जो रोज रोज हो जाए. And it is the most beautiful feeling in the world. And everything we experience before that one true eternal love is either attraction, infatuation, or lust, whatever you call it. But love is something which can only and only happen for once. It is something which is a lifetime and beyond and beyond. When you love someone, you set them free. If they come back, they are yours, and if they never come back, they were never yours in the first place. Love is not bondage, it is freedom. Like Rumi says, beyond every right and wrong, there's a field. I'll meet you there. So for me, love is everything. It is like I've always been a person for whom there is nothing beyond love. There's nothing greater than love. It is the force, it is the greatest force in the universe. We have come with only love in our heart, and this is the only thing we are going to take from this universe to the next and to the next and to the next. It goes on, it is never ending, as the soul never dies. It keeps on changing, universe to galaxies to galaxy. So love is something which we will always take with us. It can never leave us, because uh, it is the essence of our soul. And then when the right time comes, when we are in complete surrender, the universe conspires against every odd and make two people who were always destined to meet each other come together and form a connection which is unbeatable, and which nothing can stop them from coming together, and no force, no power can separate them. I'm talking about a love where divine is involved, because उनके बिना तो कोई प्यार है ही नहीं. Love has always been something which is very divine. Anything where there is no presence of God is not love, is just attraction or infatuation. We mistake it to be true love.
Sweet, talented Srujana, a student of Shastra College, tells us how love is felt in every little gesture or expression.
Okay, so for me, I would say प्यार दोस्ती है, but that's because I'm clearly influenced by कुछ कुछ होता है. But I still believe in that because I've stayed out of home for such a long time, and it's my few friends who've given me this unconditional support that I only got from my parents, and the way they've taken care of me, the way they never left me when I was swaying in the wrong ways, and the way they've always had my back. I think I felt that is the kind of love which only parents could give. But then I realized that no, there are other things in life also. There are other people also who can actually go to a long extent for you. So in those little things that my friends said, I think I felt a lot of love. And for me, in general, love is any little gesture that you do for a person with true intention. Any little gesture, just a small text also. I think for me, that is love.
Very smart, confident Diotima, student of Mount Carmel College, Bangalore, beautifully explains the vastness and interpretation of this word love.
The word love is one of the most strongest human emotion that one can feel, one can endure. But being in the 21st century, I must say that the word love has actually been overused and it's actually overrated. I actually remember once I came across this interview where one of the great actor, an Indian actor, said that people often say that I love your shoes, and the next minute they say I love you. So the vastness of the concept of love is enormous. You can be in love, you can fall in love with anything and everything. But for me personally, I think what more than love is the respect that comes with love. And again, being in the 21st century, we really need to respect everyone. We need to learn how to respect everyone, their feelings, their opinions. And I think love is the way that you can imbibe respect into it and make it one of the truest feeling, and get back its lost essence and make the most out of it.
Sweet, innocent Himakshi, a student of DAV College, Amritsar, wins your heart with her expression of love for someone very special.
Love, according to me, is a sensation which gives butterflies. I mean, when I say butterflies, literally butterflies. It doesn't matter कि वो इंसान आपके साथ है या नहीं है, whom you love, but वो sensation हमेशा आपके अंदर रहती है. It stays inside you and it can never leave you. अगर आप एक बार उसको एक्सपीरियंस कर लो, फॉर मी इट गिव्स यू अ फीलिंग ऑफ कंप्लीटनेस कि अभी तुम्हें लाइफ में और किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डजेंट मैटर आप कौन सी कंडीशंस में रह रहे हो, इफ दैट पर्सन इज विद यू, इज स्टैंडिंग बाय यू, यू डोंट नीड एनी थिंग एल्स. क्योंकि प्यार एक ऐसा एहसास है जो तुम्हें इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग देता है कि उसके आगे कोई भी लग्जरी कुछ मैटर नहीं करता, अगर सिर्फ वो फीलिंग तुम एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो. इट गिव्स यू दैट मच फुलफिलमेंट.
Rumi says, love is the bridge between you and everything. Today's youth shares common grounds on their belief of self-love and deep commitment for love, which includes love with life itself. Let's feel, speak, share, express, and be love. Thank you for being drawn to this video, and do drop your views on love in the comment section. Wish you all love and light.